Happy Tuesday, everybody. Here's a biohack you can try right now. No lab, no fancy tech, just your own two hands. It's called grip strength, and it's one of the strongest predictors of health, even longevity. It sounds simple, but hear me out. Grip strength reflects overall muscle mass, nerve health, and resilience. When grip is weak, studies actually show a higher risk for diabetes, heart disease, dementia, and even early death. In fact, grip strength predicts mortality better than some of the lab tests your doctors order. So, how do you measure it? Well, the gold standard is a handheld dynamometer. We use those in physical therapy all the time. You can find one for about $20 online. I'll put a picture up here. You squeeze it as hard as you can, and it gives you a number. But even without equipment, you can pay attention to daily clues. Struggling to opening a jar? That was happening to me. I noticed it in my late 50s and when I turned 60. Trouble carrying groceries or noticing your handshake isn't quite what it used to be. Now let's talk about the solutions. Naturally, grip strength declines with age because muscle mass declines. That's called sarcopenia, and we talk about preserving our muscles a lot on this channel. The fix: nutrition plus movement. You have to start with protein. 30 grams per meal is the threshold your muscles need to trigger growth. Pair that with resistance training, and you don't need fancy machines. Deadlifts, just picking a bar up, rows where you're pulling back on some bands, pull-ups, I think they're hard. I was never able to do pull-ups, or even farmer's carries where you just hold something really heavy like heavy weights and walk. All build up grip and protect your joints. As a PT, I've seen people regain independence just by improving grip and forearm strength. Suddenly they can open jars again, hold on to rails, and that prevents falls. Grip is about far more than hands. It's a window into your whole metabolic health. If you want me to share my favorite PT exercises to build grip strength and muscle mass for longevity, comment the word grip below, and don't forget, your handshake may tell you more about your future than the scale ever will. I'll see you tomorrow in the next Daily Spoonful.